Imagine your car as a finely tuned athlete pushing the limit of performance. Now every athlete needs to stay cool under pressure, and your car's engine is no different. Whether you are driving a sleek sport car, a rugged off-roader, or a family-friendly sedan, the engine coolant is your vehicle's unsung hero, regulating temperature to prevent overheating and catastrophic engine failure. But here is the kicker. Not all coolants are created equal. Different cars have different needs, from traditional antifreeze, cutting edge, organic acid technology. Knowing the right coolant for your vehicle can mean the difference between a smooth ride and a costly repair bill. So buckle up and join me on this journey as we explore the world of engine cooling system, uncovering the secret to keeping your car running cool, calm, and collected. Don't miss out on this essential knowledge that every car owner needs to know. Hit that subscribe button and let's rev up our engines together. Hello car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the heart of every vehicle, the engine cooling system. But this isn't just about mechanic, it is about understanding the lifeblood that keep your car running smoothly. Engine coolant. Whether you are a gearhead or a casual driver, understanding how to keep your engine cool is essential. So let's get started. In this video, we shall be looking at the two segments of the engine cooling system. The first is the air cooling system, and the second is the liquid cooling system. I will be explaining the working principle of each cooling system, their advantages and their disadvantages. I'm sure you will not want to miss this for anything. But before you get carried away, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell to help you get notified whenever I post a new video. As I have said, the first segment of the cooling system is the air cooling system. So, what exactly is an air cooling system? Simply put, it's a method of dissipating heat from the engine using the surrounding air. Unlike liquid-cooled systems that rely on coolant fluid circulated through a radiator, air cooling system harness the natural airflow to maintain optimal engine temperature. But how does it work? Picture this: sitting comfortably within your car's engine in a series of fine metal cylinders known as cylinder or engine head. These cylinders contain the combustion chambers where fuel gets heated, powering your vehicle forward. As the engines operate, it generates great heat, threatening to exceed safe operating temperatures. Then, enter the air cooling system. Strategically positioned fins on the cylinders increase the surface area, allowing for efficient heat transfer to the surrounding air. But here is where it goes clever. As your car moves forward, air rushes through the fins, carrying away excess heat like a cool breeze on a hot day. This process is supported by a powerful fan, often integrated into the engine design, which help to draw in fresh air and fan out hot air, ensuring continuous airflow and effective cooling, even when your car is not moving. From the explanation I gave above, let me highlight three important advantages of air cooling system. 1. It is cost effective. Air cooling system generally have lower initial costs compared to other cooling method like liquid cooling, making them a more budget-friendly option for both residential and commercial applications. 2. They are easy to install. Air cooling systems are relatively easy to install, requiring minimal infrastructure modification. This makes them ideal for fixing an older version as part of the same process of fixing the newest version into older car buildings or adding cooling to temporary structure. 3. Low maintenance. Air cooling systems typically require less maintenance than other cooling methods, as they have fewer components and do not involve fluid that need periodic monitoring and replenishing. However, these air cooling systems also have disadvantages, such as less efficient in extreme temperature, limited cooling capacity, noisier operation. The second segment is the liquid cooling system. Liquid cooling is a revolutionary method of keeping electronic devices such as computers, GPUs, and CPUs operating at optimal temperature. Unlike traditional air cooling, which relies on fan to dissipate heat, liquid cooling uses a specially designed coolant to transfer heat away from the component. So, how does it work? Liquid cooling system consists of several key components: a pump, a radiator, a tubing, coolant, and a heat sink or block. The pump circulates the coolant through the system, carrying heat away from the component. As the coolant passes through the radiator, heat is dissipated into the surrounding air, effectively cooling the liquid. The cooled coolant then returns the component ready to absorb more heat. Liquid cooling system use a cooling fluid, usually a mixture of water and antifreeze, to transfer heat away from the engine. What are the advantages of liquid cooling? 1. Better cooling efficiency. Liquid cooling is highly effective even in extreme temperatures. 2. Quieter operation. No noisy fan, the water pump operates silently. 3. It is more effective overall. Ideal for high performance engine and heavy duty applications. And what are the disadvantages of liquid cooling? 1. Higher cost and complexity. 2. Risk of coolant leak. 3. Regular maintenance required. So, there you have it, air cooling versus liquid cooling. Both have their pros and cons. Liquid cooling system represents the pinnacle of thermal management technology, offering superior performance, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you are a hardcore gamer, a professional content creator, or an industry-leading innovator, liquid cooling can take your system to the next level. On the other hand, air cooling systems are essential for maintaining comfortable indoor temperature and improving overall quality of life. Whether you are relaxing at home, working in the office, or enjoying a night out, air cooling system ensures that you stay cool and comfortable year round. Choose wisely based on your driving habits, climate, and engine type. Remember, a well-cooled engine is a happy and a healthy engine. If you have learned something from this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and pass a comment on this video. Till I come your way again in another video, keep turning the wheel smoothly.